P2P trading is the easiest way you can start making money in the crypto space without learning technical analysis, without even understanding the basics of fundamental analysis. And the way these guys make money in this space is very simple. All you just need to do on the buy price, you can see right here. Let's even use this first person right here. Okay, so this person has transacted over 643 orders in the past 30 days. And this is how much this person is selling USDT to you. And if I go to the sell option right here, this is how much they are ready to buy your USDT whenever you want to sell. So there's a difference of 3 Naira in this transaction. Here on the buy option, you are buying at 1,594, and on the sell option, if you want to sell your USDT, you sell at 1,591, or approximately we could say 92. So it means those who are buying or who are selling to you with 2 Naira, 3 Naira, 5 Naira difference. And now do this calculation. Let's say somebody is going to buy 100 USDT and then the buyer is making 1 Naira per USDT. So it means that person is making 100 Naira in that particular transaction. What if you want to buy 200 USDT? What if you want to buy 300 USDT? And it goes on. So if you now calculate that by this amount of money or this amount of order that this person has carried out, you can just imagine how much this person makes every month for just doing buying and selling of USDT on the P2P marketplace. And this is a new exchange. The merchants there are not that many. You can become a merchant right here, and the processes of becoming a merchant on the ST exchange is very simple. So I will leave the link. ST exchange is currently giving out 100% cashback on any deposit you make on the platform. So if you deposit $100 today, at the end of this event, there is a duration for this event. At the end of this event, once it expires, you get up to 100% of whatever deposit you make into this platform back. So if you deposit $100, you get $100 back. If you deposit $1,000, you get $1,000 back. So what you want to do to stand out in this space, there are basic tips that I need to give you right now. Okay, maybe I'm going to make an in-depth tutorial showing you how to do this. But the thing is, you want to make sure that your ad, one thing you need to learn is how to make your ad to always show up on the front page, because people who come in here, they want to buy from those at the top. If you are buying, those at the top will be cheaper. And if you are selling, those at the top will be costlier. So if, for instance, I'm buying right now, if I keep scrolling down, you'll see that the more I scroll down, the more the price will increase. Okay, but ST Exchange is doing everything possible to make sure that the price remains the same. But the more you keep scrolling down, the more the price will increase. But here's the thing, if you know how to optimize your ad to always rank first, you will always be making sales. Orders will be coming to you like back to back, if both for the sell option and for the buy option. And that is one thing I want to do specifically for those who will take advantage of this. I just need to do it personally to those who are interested, because I don't want to go through those processes of telling you this is how to optimize your ad to rank first. Aside the fact that people will review your ad and all of that, you need to always be optimizing your ad to rank first. So if you want to learn that, you can send me a DM on Telegram and I'll be able to put you through that. But one thing I want you to do right now is to take advantage. Go to ST Exchange. The link will be in the video description. If you're on Telegram, you can equally take advantage of that. Just make sure that you create your account. Any deposit you make into the ST Exchange, please use the link that I've provided. Within this period, any deposit you make into the ST Exchange, you'll be getting 100% cash back. And that 100% comes as a trading bonus. So you will need to use the money to trade features and then keep 100% of the money. So if you deposit money right here to do P2P, they give you money to start trying out how their feature trading interface work, and whatever money you make out of that feature trading bonus, you can keep 100% of it. So it can help you to augment your, let's say you have deposited $1,000 here and they give you $1,000 trading bonus to trade features. If at the end of the day you're able to make either 50% or 100% of that before the bonus expires, it means that you will now add it up to the initial capital you wanted to start the P2P trading option with. I'm recommending ST Exchange because for P2P, they are new to the African market. There are no too much merchants here. So it is an avenue for you to take advantage of it. come in here, create your ad. A lot of users, okay, a lot of Africans are beginning to use ST Exchange, and they want to easily buy USDT and easily sell USDT. So take advantage of this opportunity now before everything will cast. Okay, so take advantage of it right now. Go to the link in the video description, sign up for an account, make a deposit, and get your 100% cash back, and you can use it to do whatever you wish. So go and take advantage of P2P trading on the ST Exchange, and I'll see you guys on the next video. If you want to learn more, right, like optimizing your ad to always rank first, to be the best seller of the week, of the day, and all of that, all of the month, let me know in the comment section. Maybe I'll do a subsequent video to follow up showing you all of that. But one thing I can do for the first 10 persons who will take advantage of this is that I will need to have a one-on-one section with you to show you all of this, so that you'll be able to make use of it and make some money for yourself. That is it for this video, guys. If you are new to the channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I publish new videos like this. And if you want to learn more, the link to join my Telegram will be in the video description or my bio. I'll see you guys in the inside.